Hello, YouTube people. I just wanted to share the repair I did on my Hakko 470 desoldering station. Basically, when I pulled my trigger on my handle there, the motor would run, but I would not get any suction. I could not feel any suction at this point, at the vacuum point there. In fact, what I did feel was it was just a real soft air going in and out, back and forth. I could feel like sucking a little bit and then pushing it out a little bit. So I opened this up. To open this desoldering station up, it's pretty easy. There are 4 screws on the front. There are 2 on the side, 1 here and 1 on the other side. And then there are 4 in the back also. So you take those screws out and they basically, this thing, pieces pop out and you end up with several pieces like this. 4 pieces like this, 2 sides and kind of 2 handles, 2 carrying handles. Anyway, so you take that out, and then the next thing I did, this is your motor and your vacuum, I guess. And next thing I did was I took this apart with the 4 screws. There's 4 on this side, and there's actually identical identical item on the other side. And I took them apart, and then you'll find a metal plate in there with 2 more screws, and take that metal 2 screws out, and you'll find these plastic pieces. Of course, they should be in 1 piece, but as you can see, mine were disintegrated or showing lots of wear and tear. They weren't this bad a shape, but when you peel them off, they kind of break apart. So I took them out, peeled them out. I used some goof off to clean the residue off of that metal plate, and I put 2 new pieces in. These are called valve plates. Hakko part number A1014. So you place 1 on each side, on this side, and right here on this side too. So it's the same process on both sides. So shouldn't be too hard to do. And once it gets replaced, once those 2 gets replaced, when you pull your trigger, you can actually feel the suction now down in here. So and this should make it work again. So anyway, if you have realized that you're not getting any suction, any vacuum out of this point here, first place I would check is these 2 clear valve plates, A1014. Try to check them out, see if they're okay. There's also a black diaphragm gasket here. When you pull this off, you'll see that between the metal and this plastic housing. I checked mine out. They looked good, so I chose not to replace them. So they, luckily, so I didn't have to replace those 2, but I feel like those may also cause a problem down the line because they're like a rubber gasket, but they also are a lot more pliable. They're not plastic. So they have a lot more flexibility in them. So I think they'll last a little bit longer. Anyway, hope this helps out fellow YouTubers or anybody who's looking at this video and trying to save their Hakko 470 desoldering station.